Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about ICD-10 coding for breast mass. Many coders are confused in coding breast mass because there are specific for each quadrant, and based on the specific quadrant we have to code the ICD-10 codes. So let us begin first. What are the ICD-10 codes used for coding breast mass? So the big codes are in N63 series, which are used for coding breast mass. These codes majorly are used for CPT codes for ultrasound breast and ultrasound mammography, and also for some breast biopsy procedures. You can see in this each code is having specific for each quadrant, and each quadrant also they have based on upper outer quadrant, upper inner quadrant, lower outer quadrant, lower inner quadrant, and there are overlapping quadrants also. So we'll see what are these codes based on and how we can code these codes on the basis of clock position. So let us see how we can code these codes. So here you can see the breast, right and left breast are given, and they can be coded as per their quadrants. So based on the clock position, you can code specific codes from N63 series for breast mass and lump. Suppose for example, if the breast mass position is on 1 o'clock position on right breast, you can code the code for upper inner quadrant for right breast. And for left breast, if you get a breast mass at 7 o'clock position, you can code the lower inner quadrant for left breast mass. Let us check some few examples for coding breast mass. So we take an example for right breast. So if you get a report with breast mass for 11 o'clock position right breast, it will go for unspecified lump in the right breast for upper outer quadrant, as you can see in this picture. Similarly, if you get a breast mass for 1 o'clock right breast mass position, you can go for N6312 for unspecified lump in the right breast, upper inner quadrant. Based on the clock position only, you have to code the specific code from N63 series. Now this is most important because many coders are confused on how to code 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock and 9 o'clock breast mass. So there is a specific code for overlapping quadrant for each right and left breast. You can code for for right breast N6315 unspecified lump in the right breast overlapping quadrant. These are more specific codes based on the quadrant and the clock position for both right and left. If there is no specific quadrant given for or clock position given for right breast, you can code the unspecified right breast code N6310. And if there is no specificity given for right or left breast, you can simply code N630 for unspecified breast mass. Hope you like the video. Do subscribe for my channel. Thank you.